Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Brenda.
And my name is Safina.
Today's topic is about political asylum and refugee status. Safina, can you explain the definition of political asylum and how you would make an application?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit confusing. Some people call it political asylum because it is normally linked to your home country of origin. But, generally the definition is around asylum as a whole. So essentially, when people claim asylum, they are saying that they've got a well-founded fear of persecution in their home country, Brenda.
So where would you apply for that then?
So it depends how you gain entry into the United Kingdom. So if you gain an entry, it's normally advisable to apply for asylum at the first entry point and also at the first available country. So if you're coming through France, you should really claim asylum in France. But in terms of if you're coming to the United Kingdom, the first entry point will depend upon what's your route into the United Kingdom. Are you coming by air, or are you coming by ship or other means? And it would therefore be to an immigration officer at the airport and so forth, or go and report to a police station, or go and see an immigration solicitor and explain to them, and they will contact the Home Office.
Okay, so can you give some examples of the reasons why somebody would apply for asylum?
Yes, certainly. So essentially, the law says, so we're looking here at the Refugee Convention, the 1951 Refugee Convention, its 1967 protocol, and obviously we've got the immigration rules and some of our own domestic legislation within that, Brenda. But essentially, you can only claim asylum on the basis of your race, your religion, your nationality, your political opinion, or membership of a particular social group. And just to explain that, so for example, there have been people who've claimed on the basis of a particular social group of women in a particular country. So the particular social group is of women who are teachers in Pakistan, for example. So it is quite a wide definition.
Okay, so do you have to pay any fees to apply?
Well, it is one of the few areas where you can get legal aid for an application for asylum. Obviously, when you later get refugee status and then apply for additional leave or family reunification, if you try and invite your family over later on, there are fees associated with that. But no, you can gain independent legal advice from an immigration advisor who can assist you. But that's if they have a legal aid contract that allows them to provide that within the area of asylum.
Okay, final question. I'm assuming you cannot just say I'm a victim in my home country. You should be required to provide evidence, I assume.
Yeah, and that's a really good question, Brenda. So you need to have, you could have police reports. You could have reports from a political group that you were affiliated with in a particular country, evidence of your membership with them. You could have sustained injuries and had medical evidence there. You could also obtain medical evidence here if you've still got those significant injuries. There are organisations like the Medical Foundation for the Victims of Torture who would be prepared to provide reports, and also country assessment information about the state of the political regime within a particular country. I mean, the way that it works is you should really try and claim protection within your home country. If it's the case that there is no way that that is possible, that's when you have had to go outside of your home country and claim asylum elsewhere.
Thank you. That was a detailed explanation about asylum and refugee status. If you're interested in more great legal content, please follow, like, subscribe and share Legal Dilemmas.